So in this session, I'm going to share with you the mistakes, because honestly, this is where most beginners fail. And if you avoid some of these mistakes, you're already ahead of a lot of people. The first mistake is expecting fast money. Most people, when they are starting Airbnb, they'll be like, okay, I want to really make money real fast. The big mistake is thinking you'll make a lot of money instantly. Airbnb takes time. You need bookings, you need reviews and experience. And if you're patient, it will grow. It is not instant. Mistake number 2, bad location. I don't know how I can stress this. I have had a lot of people call me like, where can I start my Airbnb, especially those who are renting. You rather pay rent in a very busy location than having a bad location. Make sure that the location you're choosing has roads, it's accessible. Make sure that the location you're choosing has convenience stores nearby. Make sure the location you're gonna choose is so convenient to the guest. Don't book places where nobody wants to stay. You will not get bookings. Always think, would people actually want to come here? Now, for location, I have my own stories as well. I have a couple of Airbnbs that I had to shift because the location did not work for me. So if you're not sure of a location, I would require you, during your negotiation with the landlord, negotiate and tell them, you know what, I'm going to try this for maybe 6 months. And if you cannot get bookings in the first 3 months in that location, please pack up and find another location. Don't be ashamed. I'm saying this because I have also been in places of bad location that were not performing well. Some of them were actually good, but like the bookings were just not there. So make sure that you get a really, really good location. Mistake number 3, poor photos. Now, when I was starting personally, I did take pictures with my own phone. But then with time, when you get some money, please invest in a photographer, not just any photographer. Get a photographer that is so good with real estate listings, that is so good with taking pictures of houses. Trust me, you will actually love it. Or if you don't have money to invest in good photography, get someone with an iPhone or someone with a good phone. Personally, I have some pictures taken with my Samsung phone. Make sure that you really take good angles. There are a couple of tutorials on how to take real estate photos on YouTube using a phone. Invest your time, learn those, and take really good photos, because bad photos makes your place look messy, and when the place looks messy, you're not gonna get any bookings. Mistake number 4, make sure your place is always clean. Dirty spaces, people are gonna leave bad review, guests are not gonna return. Now, when I started, I used to clean myself. Like I said, I started with Airbnb rooms. So I would clean myself, and the times I'm not there, I had to get someone who is reliable, someone who really cleans very well. And trust me, when it comes to cleaning, I have fired and hired different cleaners. You want to make sure that your cleaners are really, really top notch. Slow communication. When guests message you, they expect a quick reply. If you're taking your time to reply, they may just end up booking somewhere else, and due to that, you're gonna lose bookings. So make sure that once you list your property, you are quick to respond to inquiries, you're quick to respond to questions that guests might be asking. Wrong pricing. If your price is too high, you're not gonna get so many bookings. If it is too cheap, again, you're gonna lose profit. So make sure that you balance. Make sure that you do some research about other spaces which are in your neighborhood. Go on the Airbnb app and search how much are people charging for a 1-bedroom, for example. How much are people charging for a 2-bedroom? Get the price range and set your price in that it's competitive in that way. If you remember just these things, you're already doing better than most of the beginner hosts. You're going to keep things simple, you're going to stay consistent, and then you're going to keep improving your listing as you go. In the next video, I'm going to share with you what exactly you need to start an Airbnb business. We're going to create a simple checklist before going to the next other chapter.